Do you want to know how to practice the listen and type question type of Duolingo English test? Friends, this is that part of Duolingo which tests your skill of understanding the spoken sentence, and then you have to write it. Which means that there will be an audio and you have to listen to that sentence and you have to type exactly the same sentence. Now, how to work on this question type? First thing first, you have to pay attention to whether the sentence was a statement or was it a question. Pay attention to the intonation, that will help you figure out this. The audio can be played 3 times. So first listen to the audio, get the overall gist of it. Second time when you are listening, be double sure of what you have heard. Then go ahead, type the sentence, and the third time when you are listening to the audio, check your work. For more updates, stay tuned.